Guys, did you see this on? If you turn this on, with this on, and then you do this, you kind of do this, wait. Let's just watch and learn. Did you see this? I repeat just and then did you see this? Look. And that's how, if you thought this is not working, this has a secret roommate. You can open this whatever you want. This. Like that.